drop your love by liking the video and subscribe to my channel Scorpion Craft.